Mama, what is it? I hope there's no problem.
Mama, if I tell you there is no problem, then I, your mother, may lie.
Wait, Mama. Calm down first. Just tell me, what is it?
Have you in any way heard from your brother Chibuzo since the last time he came in?
Chibuzo? Which Chibuzo are you talking about?
Oh!
Fino! Eh?
Ngoma, please, I am not in the mood for your jokes. Fino, Pino, whichever one you decide to call him, his name is Chibuzo. That's the name I gave him when I gave birth to him. Chibuzo Koli. That is his name. Anyway, have you heard from him in any way?
Mama, what means will I used to communicate with him? I mean, were you not there when my phone got spoiled? You know you promised to get me a new phone when he's coming back. So me, I'm just waiting for his return.
So, Chibuzo has forgotten I, his mother, and you, his younger sister, to die of hunger in this village? Or are you not aware of the fact that the money he left before he went back the last time he came is finished? Are you not the one that used the last one to go to school? Okay, now the food stuff we have in the store is almost gone. What are we going to do?
Mama, calm down now. Just calm down. Now, do you know that I met one of Chibuzo's friend? I mean, Fino's friend, on the way 2 days ago. So, they said he will be coming back soon. And Mama, do you know that it's everywhere in this village? Haven't you heard it?
The news of my son's return is everywhere in this village, and I'm just hearing it. Let the soon be soon. If not, you and I will resort to drinking gari in this house. Mama, tighten your belt.
Mama, the most important thing is that we know we come back home. Mama, then we come back, then you know that.
Hello, yesterday I win 12K for Naira Bet.
Chineke! 12K!
You win 12K?
Yesterday.
Wait. You win 12K?
You see
and
that,
you are sitting here with me.
You see that one in Imo Junction? I scattered that place last night. And they call your number and you know they go.
Not my line.
He said 12K.
One.
Oh boy. No, bros.
Hi. Tony.
What's up, man? Una day I come find una that side, I no consume.
Which way? Now you have their work band now.
Una never hear the letters.
Antenna. Which one again?
So you won't tell me say the antenna where they give una information no they work again.
But if you get news, tell us.
Now you they give us latest news. So una never hear say Fino won't enter Old Town.
Eh? Which Fino?
Can Fino say manabo has them no?
Wait. Is it Fino that I know or another Fino?
If I say you be idiot, you go say I dey wicked. They say we all know they enter camp and you are here telling me which Fino.
I don't believe you. I don't believe you.
Wait, is it Ezeke when they wear this kind of bead where they wear?
Okay. You know that my shoe now. Make I go arrange jam. Wait, Fino.
Go. I don't believe you. I don't believe you.
No. Come on.
Mom, you can't see me and this me?
We're sorry, Mazel.
It's alright, my children. It's alright. I saw you were enjoying usual girls' gossip. And I told you.
Yes, Mazel. We heard that Ezege Fino is coming next week and we're getting ready. I be ready.
Okay, so because of Ezege Fino, eh? You don't want to come to my house and do the chores we arranged, we discussed.
Biko Mazekwe, we are not here to dialogue. See, our mother is waiting for us. You better start leaving. Next time, babes, come, let's go.
We see you later, man.
Hey! Ndene tiegwu agasa obodo. Ndene tiegwu agasa n'obodo. Fino. Oge Fino kata. Ofaino. Oge Fino kata. Ofaino. Look at the guys who are supposed to come and do chores for me. Preferring Fino. Ndene tiegwu agasa obodo.
Everything you do is alright. So long as you go be my wife. Everything you do is alright. True love is never part for life. Everything you do is alright. So long as you go be my wife. Everything you do is alright. True love is never part for life. Thoughts of you and I will keep me always suffocating. Never coming close, your papa stay policing.
I sight you from afar, but you always on the run.
Oh my God,
walking in the fun.
Made up in the waste time anyway. Maybe I'm the patience with the pain. Give me all attention, so delay. We gon' live for life, no parting ways. It's funny, the whole world's a me, but I can't give up, my love is calling. Phenomenally, I still confirm it. You're the one my heart just keep on yearning for. It's funny, the whole world's a me, but I can't give up, my love is calling. Phenomenally, I still confirm it. You're the one my heart keep yearning for. Everything you do is alright. So long as you go be my wife. Everything you do is alright. True love is never part for life. Everything you do is alright. So long as you go be my wife. Everything you do is alright. True love is never part for life.
What a missimo, Agamalugi can the Manukuruma. Emma Bulina Gakopi Munaga, baby, Nicola Camu. Become a Pumamu, because that's Mamu, because it's the Macao, baby,
for life, no parting ways. It's funny, the whole world's a me, but I can't give up, my love is calling. Phenomenally, I still confirm it. You're the one my heart just keep on yearning for. It's funny, the whole world's a me, but I can't give up, my love is calling. Phenomenally, I still confirm it. You're the one my heart keep yearning for. Everything you do is alright. So long as you go be my wife. Everything you do is alright. True love is never part for life. Everything you do is alright. So long as you go be my wife. Everything you do is alright. True love love will never pass for life. Alright.
What a missimo. Agamalugi kanemanu kurumame. Ebabulina gakopi munaga baby bikola kamu. Biko makumamu. Biko tachi mamu. Biko jide magao. Baby, baby, baby,
everything you do is alright. So long as you go be my wife, alright. Everything you do is alright, alright. So love will never pass for life, alright.
Wamu boshari nelu wanemu wamu boshari ojewo. Wamu boshari ojewo nemu wanumu boshari o.
Everything you do is alright, alright. So long as you go be my wife, alright. Everything you do is alright, alright, alright. So love will never pass for life.
Oh, she love me now. She love me now. Oh, she love me now.
Try be melody. Let me go and weakness them. Makodi go obohuge. Fino fino. Fino. Fino fino. Yeah. I see Buzi package.
It's on top of the car. Two cars. Hey!
I'm going to choose for him. Don't buy me a very big phone.
Mama. Yes, Mama.
You're welcome.
My GTO Angels. Yes, Mama.
Okay.
Mama, dance.
Okay.
Mama, dance. It's your son, Ezege. I've arrived.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Everything you do is alright, alright. So long as you go be my wife, everything you do is alright, alright. So love will never pass for life, alright.
Wamu boshari nelu wanemu wamu boshari. Wamu boshari nemu wanumu boshari.
Everything you do is alright, alright. So long as you go be my wife, alright. Everything you do is alright, alright. So love will never pass for life. Thoughts of you and I will keep me always suffocating. Never coming close, your papa stay policing.
I sight you from afar, but you always on the run. Yeah. Oh my God.
Who is up? Why are you running as if a spirits are pursuing you?
If we leave spirits this morning, are you aware that Fino is back? Okay. I'm aware.
I got to know yesterday.
But you didn't tell me. I am going there right now.
To do what?
Hey! I heard that the boy came with a lot of money and drinks. I'm going to take mine. Now. Let's go!
Hey!
Let's go!
Okay, just go.
I won't give you. Let's go.
I'll come after you, please. I'll come. Hey! So this boy has got so much money that people rush there now to eat and drink. While my son Matthias is wasting his time in Singapore. Wasting his time in Singapore. Eh? Okay, let me just go and get this one that is attacked.
You do something I want to see you. I want to chipping you. This man. They just ask me what be that. So make a boss your brain.
Okay. I know. Okay, what be that?
See what I tell you. You see these girls, when they rape say that they second they follow. I want to tell you something now. I want to make we go package ourselves. Do like say we be a second. So that all these guys, when they go they carry. If they see us, go to say na be with as now we be there second when they talk about.
You see this your brain. This your small head, our sense full out. But how go take do am man?
This thing. I want make we dress. Find beat. Package ourselves. You know see my ear? You know see my ear? I don't open my then you go open your own. Yes. I don't understand. Then listen now. We go enter a market square where any bar where they around for that market square. Understand? Go find any jeep where make sense. After we must have package ourselves like say we be a second, we go there, cross our leg.
Yes.
The pose. Then we walk back. If any babe we pass, go to say now we be fino. That is second they talk about. So if you call them, they go come.
Also today, you get sense.
Any girl you talk to this village, I want that second. You touch this one. If you touch this one, then now we now him be the second now. They go they follow. After we must package ourselves.
I don't listen now well. But come on, no make they no catch us so.
They
no catch us so.
And then they do bobo juice now. Not for you. No.
Omalicha, as someone. Good baby. Those things you buy washing. What are it? Your clothes and the spread. Only. Yes. So, beyond this upstairs, who will wash it? Me? See, we are not begging people. If people don't want to wash it, there are so many girls outside there. Those one call on them. No, don't wash everything. In fact, let me go and wash it myself. No, don't worry. Don't worry. Please go and get on this. Don't worry. We'll wash it for you. Okay. Go. No. Go. Me, I'm not begging you. I can do sis. Stop now. It's okay. We'll do it for you. Is it no sister?
You know what, Mama? Yeah, Jabia. I'm not coming here with you. I want you to come.
My husband.
Hey.
You're welcome.
Hey.
You're welcome.
What am I hearing? What am I hearing?
You heard right though. Let me get you a seat.
Please. Hey. And then Etiegu. I got some eh? Etiegu. I got some hey, Melawo, you don't well. So where is Chibuzo? Chibuzo?
Nine. He is back.
He's back, really?
He's inside the house.
That's what I heard, and I came and said, let me see as other girls see. He's inside the house.
He's inside the house.
Let him know I'm here.
Nine, please sit down first.
Biko.
Chibuzo!
Boy.
Chibuzo!
Your man,
Bia came to see you.
Don't let me see you. I've heard so much about you.
Please, tell him I'm coming.
He's coming.
Nine. You're blessed.
I am.
You're blessed. Many women will be praying to be like you. Oh, yeah. I'll take you go. Oh, no.
The soldiers.
So what are you going to do? Who are they?
When he comes out, he will introduce them.
Look at them. Hey, look at Chibuzo.
That is him.
Chibuzo, sorry, Ezege. What is Ezege? I've been hearing from people. Yes, Ezege is the boy. I'm a hole. Oh, where's the kind of boy? Where's it? Am I able to out? Eh? Thank you very much. You're welcome back to the country. Eh? This is the work of Mo Izaka. It's big masculine. This year, we smoke up for his wife because. Let go. You won't understand. But by the way, who are these people?
They are my GTO Angels.
GTO Angels?
Yes.
Look at.
I now have an angel.
Okay.
Yes. These are my angels.
Hey! But
you can still call them Omonono.
Omonono?
Yes.
How do you want to against them? No. I want to ask one question. Yeah? How do you sleep with all of them at the same time? On one bed or several beds?
No, it's not. What about your son, Matthias?
That is one of the reasons why I came here.
Let him sit down and never say
but answer my question before I will talk about my son. How do you sleep with all of them?
Let me sit down so that you sit down.
Ezeke!
Sit down.
Ezeke!
You don't discuss this.
Get the wine in my bag.
Nico,
just sit down.
But I want to ask a question.
Yes.
Do you sleep with these people on one bed or several beds? Matthias is just trying, and that is one of the reasons I came here. For me to find a way to help him, people.
Right.
People, they come my
Yes. I bought it all the way from Paris.
Paris!
When I traveled to have show with Lin Wayne
and
Rick Ross.
Hey!
Don't worry, I'm rushing for something now. But I just came back from US.
Yeah.
By next month I'll be traveling to Canada, from Canada to Botswana, from Botswana to Ivory Coast, from Ivory Coast to Tanzania. This night.
Tanzania!
I will see you next time, please.
I trust you.
Just take good care of yourself.
Are you not going out with them or you're leaving them here?
We are
I gotta go with a bully. Don't do any job on the
Let's prepare.
If they start dancing here, you see this side will be doing. They don't even wear clothes.
Hey, I pray for this household. How you going to
put us in prayer?
I will not recall 10.
7.
7 now you are no na. Hey.
Condition explosion.
Hey, condition the eco engine.
Wele wayo nkita nwele ndidi na lapu isiri ike Matthias nwa ya nwoke ọ na-apasi n'okwu ọ na-eburu asị eburu tayata ọ na-atayata moto m mebiri na bọda ị ma na moto m mebiri na ship mgbe ọ na-alọte facha bụkwa asị ka atụrụ m ya bụ kọntena mgbe ọ na-alatale o mebie na ship brodale ife m na-ekwu rapasi ka o wedịle gị mma n'ụwa na so God talk am my brother ebe furu 50 million brother
Just hold on here. Do you know Maziekwe?
Okay, I don't know who's Maziekwe.
You don't know Maziekwe?
I don't know.
My father.
I don't know.
Hey! Sasari! Sasari Sinekwano! What is happening to your men in this village? You don't know my father?
I don't know who's Maziekwe.
Okay. I'm finding it difficult to locate our house. I can't find it. My own father's house. Huh? What do we do? You help me. Let's continue looking for it.
Okay. My journey end for here now. Give me my money complete.
How?
Pay me the one when I carry you.
You can go now, maybe.
Pay me my money. Pay me my money and then I'll go.
Sorry.
Pay me my money.
No wonder. Come to Singapore. Come to Singapore and you see your mate doing well.
Oh, that means that's not what I come for here. My money now I need. Pay me my money. Make I get out for here. Come pay me my money.
Don't worry, you see what I did to yourself.
I've traveled enough for you since carry you. You don't even know your father's house. Carry you patrol all the way for the road. They come here now still they waste my time again.
Hey, Sasari, Sinekwano. Where is that money? You don't have enough Nigerian currency here. No enough currency.
My money, I beg.
Take this one.
My money never complete now. What you there? See this man, oh. Nah.
Can go. I will find my way.
Find your way.
I must locate my father's house. I'm from this town.
That one, my
Matthias is back. Take. Go.
No problem.
Go.
Let me tell you.
Oga.
The reason why people are not growing is because of your stupidity.
Oga, that your patient. Hold on. Don't pay me my money.
Very, very hard. You are very wicked. Very wicked. People are wicked. This is why people like him cannot make it in Singapore. Akelo! Man! No. This is why family come out.
Guy, Ike, you never hear?
Hear what?
You never hear say Ezege don't enter Ogbe.
For this our time.
Not only that one, no. That guy don't hammer. I hear say that guy don't buy car. That guy they make money through that in show. Even in the into movie.
But Oloy, thank God say God don't bless that guy through music. See, I tell you, that guy don't suffer for industry.
He don't suffer. But in that case, like, Akima, you go give me that your balala. No, guy, I
go see you later.
I trust you. I trust you, Akima.
Boss,
Yeah.
when is the next California show coming up?
Okay, alright. That's good. My show in California with Rihanna and Jay-Z.
Yeah.
I think it's next month. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, even Obama is calling me for his birthday party.
Yes, again.
Yes, my dear.
Hope you're enjoying your breakfast.
Thank you. I'm with my angels.
If you see what Chelsea play Man U today, they scatter Man U. If you see what the Hazard they dribble, piam. Dike come out, bah! Hazard the hey guy, if you watch match, you know say I'm not a player. I'm not going to get boy. Chelsea has qualified Champions League.
Come on.
Who is selling it?
Bam here.
I will come.
Boss, yeah, the child.
Better press it for you now.
Press it for me. You're asking me.
Yeah, Baba, what did they hold you? Bring drink for us now.
I will come abeg 1 minute abeg.
Have you seen why Nigerian boys are not making it in Singapore? A customer, you're asking me if you should bring it for me. No, bring table for me.
Sorry, I beg, no vex.
What do you have 3-3?
3-3. No, that one no dey. I beg.
Give me origin.
1 minute.
I must go origin. So sorry. Yesterday was very fantastic.
No, I'm not correct about that. Is why I'm not close about the boy.
Why is all this thing? Look at the leather. Everything is off.
Yeah, I beg, no vex, I beg. Just money. Now the last one we just did now, I beg. Ma open them for you now.
Don't worry.
Bring back. I beg, 1 minute, I beg. Just 1 minute.
Please, come, please. Don't mind those people. I came back from far away. I am actually coming back from Singapore. I'm looking for my father's house.
Your father's house?
Do you know Mazekwe?
I know Mazekwe now.
You know him?
He's Mazekwe. I know Mazekwe.
He's my father.
Yeah.
Mazekwe is my father.
Are you serious?
Yes. I know.
You know Mazekwe now.
You know his house?
If you go down.
Yes.
Yes, go down. You take left.
You mean you know Mazekwe's house?
Of course.
You know my father's house? You know my house?
I know your house.
Sorry. Thank God. Wait, yes. I cannot drink this.
No, you are free. Yes.
Good. Give me a glass cup.
Okay.
Give me a glass cup. Give me a glass cup. Glass cup. Thank you. They change everywhere. I don't know if it is the youth.
I beg, the customer they come. I beg, no vex, I beg.
The youth, they demolish everything. They clear everywhere. How will I locate the road to my house? This youth of boys, they don't have any other job doing. All I'm clearing and forwarding everywhere. No. My brother, come here. Come, Wadama. As it stands now, come. Direct me.
Your house?
Yes.
Just go straight. Just the left, big left. That's your house. That's Mazi.
Left. Anything?
There's I think there is mango tree.
I'm not drinking again. I opened it, but I closed it back.
You opened it and closed it back?
Yes.
Therefore, you not pay me.
You can give it to another customer.
Chiri. Do you think I'm here for Father Christmas? Did they write happy birthday here? Am I doing my birthday? So you just came here, you took my drink and you are going without paying me.
Did I drink it?
You have opened it. And did I drink it? You have to pay for it.
The question is, did I drink it?
You came back from Singapore. You don't even have money to pay for it.
Did I drink this drink?
Okay, no. You must pay for this drink. Oh. You must. I don't want to make Rondara band here. You must pay for this.
You're
drink.
looking for my trouble.
I will deal with you.
Don't worry.
Leave him. Don't worry, I will pay. Leave him. Allow him to go.
Don't mind him. Wait, Oji Sheshe was like with Singapore.
Let me show you who I am.
Stupid boy.
Idiot. I'm back to this guy. I will show you who I am.
I beg, I will come. I beg.
Idiot. Nonsense. What do you mean? Wonderful. Papa the Papa.
Matthias.
Papa the Papa.
Hold it. Where are you coming from?
Papa.
Where's your car?
Papa, that is certainly what I'm talking about. As I was just coming back from Singapore. Right there at the border, my car developed fault. I had no other choice than to shift it to a nearby professional mechanic to give it a professional touch.
Hey! Matthias, my son.
Papa.
So you're still the way you were before you left. A compound liar. Eh? Listen to yourself. You were coming into Nigeria. Then at the border, your car spoiled. You want me to believe you?
Papa.
Eh? You want me to believe you?
Papa, that is not even all. I have my second car right there in Singapore. Very soon, I will shift it down here in Nigeria.
We've not seen the first car. You're talking about the second car. Eh?
Papa, you see.
Matthias, just go in there. You will see a very wonderful drink, powerful wine, given to me by your mate. Onyoboge. People now took to his place to eat and drink. He now answers a Zege. Your own mate, a Zege.
Papa, let me tell you, Chibozo is still a small boy. Is he not a Zege Chibozo? He was my boy.
Your age mate?
Yes, he's my boy. Papa, don't worry. Your son here, Matthias, has traveled far and near. I've traveled around the globe. I've been to Malawi, I've been to Singapore, I've been to Trinidad and Tobago. Papa, let me tell you something. In Singapore, do you know what they call Chibozo? Sasari. Somebody who made little money. But myself, Matthias, I made money with title, which they call me in Singapore, Sasari Upe Muche.
Good. Only to return with just a bag. No car, no nothing. Look at even the dress, the kind of dress they sell in Ajegule. In Okrika. That's what they came home with. Sasari. Look at her, Papa. Okay.
Papa, can I muche?
You know what I'll tell you? Papa,
let me go inside. This is my, I know you built this out of my money. All the money I've been sending.
Hey! Now we are in Singapore, Nata. China promoter na border.
Everything you do is alright. So long as you go be my wife. Everything you do is alright. True love will never part for life. Everything you do is alright. So long as you go be my wife. Everything you do is alright. True love will never part for life. Thoughts of you and I will keep me always suffocating. Never coming close, your papa stay policing. I sight you from afar, but you always on the run. Oh my God, walking in the phone. Made up in the worst time anyways. Maybe I'm the patience with the pain. Give me all the tensions of the day. We gon' live for life, no parting ways. It's funny, the whole world's a me, but I can't give up, my love is calling. Phenomenally, I still confirm it. This is what my heart just keep on yearning for. It's funny, the whole world's a me, but I can't give up, my love is calling. Phenomenally, I still confirm it. This is what my heart keep yearning for.
Chidema, so you're here making up and my baby is in there crying, eh? Will you come on down and breastfeed her? Am I not talking to someone? Huh?
Anaya, what is it now? Okay, go and buy milk for that baby now. Go and buy milk for See, I have where to go to. My friend is waiting for me. We need to discuss about Ezege's musical video.
Did I hear you say Ezege? Are you talking to me like that? So, Chidima, because you have an appointment, that is why you want to start my brain to death,
This man. See this thing? You see this thing? This thing? It don't pass your level. It is now for Ezege, my love.
Chidima! Okay, don't worry. You and Ezege, don't worry. Next time it will be Ezege. Oh, this Ezege this time. Okay. If Ezege don't live for me in this town, I will live for him.
You go. Why are you on your leave? You are going where? Are you okay? Are you mad? I don't know. So your mates are busy sampling themselves. Now has you now hustling on how to take part in Ugoma's brother's show. If actually you got school. Okay? Uga, inside, go to that place.
Oh, Mama, you prepared that food tonight. What is it?
So you have the man to talk back at him. He gets inside and change that uniform now. This community a woman that are walking. If you don't get inside now, why? You begin now has not something.
That's it. Mom.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm fine. Who are you comes?
Oh, yes. Who else will I want to see? If not Ezeke, my very good friend, Chibo-san.
Ezege?
Yes.
Okay. Since you have come to see Ezege, you have to feel fun.
No. You mean I, Matthias, should feel fun before seeing my very good friends, Chibo-san, that I used to play ball together in this village with. I should feel fun before seeing him.
Come, listen. If you don't want to feel the fun, I'm not begging you. You better start going.
Then, if you want me to see my friend Chibozo Ezeke, then I have to shout and start with it. In fact, Ezeke, Fino Faino, Ezeke.
See, come. If
Allow him. He's my very good friend.
Udugu, I no longer reside in Singapore. I'm now based in Nigeria, in this village. Yeah? No more Singapore.
Just come in.
Okay.
International competition.
That's okay. Good afternoon, sir.
What is good about the afternoon? Have I not warned you to stay clear of my son? You are the person spoiling my son.
How about Mazekwe? At least you answer my greetings before you start attacking me.
Why should I respond the greeting of somebody who is out to finish my son? You've been spoiling him. You've been distracting him. You've been leading him astray. Let me tell you, it's only Ezeke I've given my son to follow. Now, we're a boy. Ezeke, we're a man head the man who does the Messiah. But people like you, I don't want you to come close to my son. Don't. Please go.
Mazeko, I just had your son came back from Singapore. You know he's my friend. I just want to see him.
You've seen him. Once you see me, you've seen him. So go. I don't want you to continue seeing him because you will contaminate him. You're a contaminator.
You mean I should go?
No, enter. No, stay here. No, sleep here. Let me go and get killed and flog him now.
No,
so stay.
No,
come on, stay.
I'm going.
No, so you're going to interpret anymore. I said go. He said, you mean I should go? Are you there? No, yeah, can go with it. You check it about a happy baby. And Piagi abo, what to get a haraka popo, what to cause a haraka eh? Go, do I should go? Eh? In the factory thing. Eh? In the native, I guess how. In the native, I guess how no bolo.
Mama. What is my forthcoming show? Tell me, what will you do? Can you get me a phenomenon? Can you get me a second? Can you get me a mama?
Okay, let me tell you my plans, eh? For the opening ceremony, I have called our parish priest. He's going to come and do the opening prayers. That is 1. 2, I have invited all the women in this community. They will be there live and direct. 3, I have invited the women from the big market. I've invited all the market women union, Mandine Rosi, tomatoes, egusi, and all of them are going to be there, live and direct. I called the local government chairman. I told him to invite all the women in this local government. Everybody is going to be there. CWO, Christian Women Organization, all of them are going to be there. You don't trust me? Mama?
It's okay. Huh? I hear you. Ma, this is not a church program. It is a glamour party. I mean glamour party. Meant for ladies and gentlemen. Hot babes like me. And of course, the ghetto angels. Ma, it's not a
Yes, that's my sister talking.
Or Christian Women Fellowship.
That's my sister talking.
Okay. Ugoma, there's one I heard now. It's a new hot babe. What work in you? Then you said the ghetto angels or one thing. This one. When you invite mad people, you invite the ones that are saved. What are you saying?
Yes. This is Uma, my sister. Uma, you know I love you, sister. You know what your brother is saying on. You know that I can't move around with ugly angels. I always go with beautiful angels in the ghetto. Yeah. That's what we are talking about. Mama, that is the show we are talking about. Beautiful angels, hot babes.
Yeah. Mama, do not mind Ugoma. You have tried as a woman. And as for me, Matthias, single-handedly, I've singled myself out as a personal assistant to Fino to carry on the publicity. Without much of our time, I'm going to invite all my friends from far away. From Singapore, Botswana, Blandapo, Kenya, Togo, Congo, Zimbabwe, and Trinidad and Tobago. Matthias, just shut your mouth. Yeah, Ezeke, Mama, who will go Matthias? All this Singapore, Botswana thing, if anybody does not know you in this village, I know you very well, and you know that. You came back into this village empty-handed, and you're here bragging about Singapore and all that. This is not all about Singapore. The other day, your father stopped me on the road, insulted me, that I'm the one deceiving you, and you're talking about Singapore and all that. Please, we don't need. We are here for a big show, and you know that.
Okay. Hey! Listen.
Mama.
If you like, invite watermelon. If you like, invite egusi. If you like, invite cucumber. I have said my own. If you don't bring God into this show, I am out of it. Mama. It is raining. Let me go and bring in my clothes.
Mama, anything in
watermelon.
Oh, yeah. Mama. You know what I want?
Equitos.
Yes.
Equitos, what is going on?
At where?
Why are you behaving so funny? Now I'm ready for me to come and see your people, for me to tell them, so that we can carry on with the marriage formalities, and you're telling me crap? You're telling me down? Why?
Please, Emeka, please let me be. Emeka, leave me alone. Is it by force to get married? Or when a lady is not interested in marriage, you let her be.
Hey! Chibo, I saw it. I noticed it. No, Ekutos, no. Don't tell me that this is all about Ezege. Because I overheard you speaking with your friend the other day that you want to travel out of the country like Canada to Ezege for him to do one musical video. What? Don't tell me this!
You heard it clear. Let the marriage hold on until I come back from Canada.
What? Ekutos, you lie. Ekutos, you lie. You will surely regret this. I know you know what you did. You will surely regret this.
I regret what? Look at me. You regret it. I can't even wait to have the 50 million on my bare hand. I can even use it and change your rag you wear, and you're calling it a cloth.
Every day by day I just dey celebrate. Everything I do we just dey penetrate. I just want to say thank you Jehovah. See I'm living large, I get angels so for my ghetto. I come from ghetto.
For some weeks now you've not been to school. What happened?
You're asking her, knowing fully well that her brother Ezege just returned back.
Listen, girls, listen. I did not come here to discuss anything about tests or exam with both of you. I only came to tell you about my brother's show. So I just want to know if you're coming or not.
What do you mean by that? So because of your brother makes you to miss your written test?
Hey. Why are you worrying yourself about me? Eh? Don't worry. My case has been settled. Do you know who my brother is? Do you know that my brother Ezege is a celeb? Do you know? See, anything he says.
Ezege sister. Hey.
Wait. Yes, teacher John.
You should be somewhere there.
Can you take me to?
Why not?
Every day by day I just dey celebrate. Everything I do we just dey penetrate. I just want to say thank you Jehovah. See I'm living large, I get angels so for my ghetto. Never forget where I come from, not from ghetto. No. I just want to say thank you Jehovah. You won't be no father,
I thought you guys say you see the judges.
Good afternoon, sir.
Mama, how are you?
Teacher, I heard you people have written tests.
Yes, of course. We don't have a problem with that. Right or ignore right, then you're going to pass it.
Of course, Ezege's sister.
You can say that again. As far as you're going to promise me that your brother's forthcoming show, that I'll go with you.
Sure.
Sure? Pass your exams.
Ezege's sister.
And what are you guys doing here?
We are actually waiting for you before you came in.
After seeing you. Alright.
Okay. Matthias, the reason why I invited you here this morning is because of this Fino's oncoming show. You know, Matthias, Fino Ezege #1 has entrusted this show in our hands. The preparation and everything. So Matthias, I called you here so that we can team up and know how to proceed with this. You need to bring in these girls, all of them, into this show.
Let me tell you, before I say something, I want to warn you on a very serious something. The other day, that I brought a wonderful suggestion from Singapore, and you turned it down. If I bring my idea now, don't do the same. But meanwhile, you know, as the personal advisor to Ezege on entertainment.
#1.
I still have my ground. We're going to, talk to these girls. We're going to twist them. We're going to turn their brains. We're going to wind them. We're going to package, bundle, and bring them back to Ezeke, our man.
That is what I'm talking about.
Both the married and unmarried ones.
Both the married and unmarried ones is very, very necessary. We did that. Very, very necessary. Because this show is very important. Ezeke wants this whole community, especially the women. Do you understand? So right now, we don't have to waste time. We need to fasten up. How do we proceed? We need to.
Actions.
You understand? Actions immediately.
Let me tell you, I'm going to still use my brain. My upstairs. I want to use my grammaticology, which I acquired from Singapore. You understand? I'm going to lure them into this business. Then you see it working perfect.
I
know what's Singapore. I'm not going to Singapore.
This is not what we are here for, Matthias. See.
Brother, I don't go. I did not hear any sound of bike.
Yes, because of the river over there, the bike man refused to cross over. I decided to come on my own because this is my father's house. Anything can go.
Welcome.
Come, Adubu. So, Richard, what is going on?
What? No?
Just to visit my grandma. And what you people do in this house is just to finish anything called food.
It's a lie.
To know whether the food get boiled.
Am I fat? Look at
you asking me? No, you are tiny. This one is
not
slim.
me.
Eh?
Brother, you come. See how fat you're looking now. See your tummy.
To me,
when you left here, your tummy was not like this.
That is benefit of one visiting the grandma. If you are jealous of the way I am now, you can go to the grandma's place and eat whatever you want. You know this grandma, they used
so now, even you, see how fat you're looking. Oyana, see your tummy. Eh? Brother, leave her. Let's go inside and have gist.
I mean, leave me alone. You know this every time. You are gist. I left this house. You dropped a gist. Coming back again, gist. Huh? Don't tell me that gist is the only thing that's making you fat like this. Stop. I'm your brother. Before you fall into depression. How would I get if people continue getting fat like this, I'm not going to come here and ask to have the marriage. I will not sell all of it.
Mazike anakwaya, is he at home? Okay. You on your farm? Okay.
I've been working out too.
Hey,
you're welcome.
Yeah, wonderful. Yeah.
Why are you dressed like this now? You want to become a small boy again?
My son just returned from Singapore. He bought me all this. But that's by the way. There's this heart desire of mine that I want to tell you about.
And what is that?
I want to become a musician.
You want to become a musician?
Yes.
Oh!
Why are you laughing? Oh! It's not a laughing.
You never cease to amuse me. Eh? Why not become a pawan tapper? That would be better for you. Eh? Become a pawan tapper. Look at all the palm trees in the village. Look at them! Eh? Just take a look. It will be good if you become a pawan tapper and tap the palm wine and bring for us to drink.
Dike, my friend, what is making you feel I cannot become a musician? Do you realize the import of my name, Ekwe? Ekwe. Ekwe is musical instrument. You play kakuku kaku kaka. Apart from being a musician, I want to become the next Michael Jackson.
If there was the next Michael Jackson, if there was. But let me ask you one question. Can you dance like Michael Jackson?
Can I dance like your man?
Can you dance like Michael Jackson?
Very easy. You want to try me?
Because I've not seen you this way before.
See an example.
Okay, let me see. See man, look at Mazekwe. Is this the Mazekwe that I know or what? Chai! Mazekwe! Chai! Mazekwe! Please
I love to join you in this music, oh. Hey! Hey! Hey!
Mama, yeah, Jabia. I'm up from here when you chop off. Maziekwe. Maziekwe $10 to me, Jesus.
I've been looking for you. Or fate, or whatever you call yourself. I don't even want to know. But I've come here to warn you because I heard you've been gallivanting yourself around the Ezege. But let me tell you, this is the very last time. Because next time I will see you around my Ezeke again, I will deal with you personally, either by hook or by crook. Okay,
you can't do anything. The Ezege you're talking about is my boyfriend. Whether you like it or not. Of course I'm pregnant.
I will deal with you. I'm just leaving you for now because I'll be the woman. But next time you try me, I got fian. You got fian.
Shame to you.
Do you know that your friend Chibuzo? Do you remember him?
Chibuzo.
That
Chibuzo, Fino Fanyo.
Hey! Brother, nobody knows him as Chibuzo now.
What happened?
The whole world now knows him as Ezeke.
Ezeke?
Hey, brother.
Meaning what?
He's now the most famous musician in the whole world. But that is not smart to know.
Chibuzo, famous musician. Everywhere in the whole world. Wait, I don't even understand what you're saying. Are you talking about the Chibuzo, my boy? I was once his manager now.
That one now.
Chibuzo.
Brother.
Ezeke.
Yes, now Ezeke. Brother. That Chibuzo is now the most popular musician in the whole world. Ezeke, no.
Well, in that case, he's still my brother. I will not fight him. I think I will try and fix appointment with him. Let me know how far. Yes. As was the manager, I'm still the manager.
Always the manager.
Yes.
Hey.
Ezeke. Where this name come from? One. Ezeke. Chibuzo. The power Chibuzo. Nkechecha. Ezeke.
Haba. Mama, how are you? How is Ozege your brother? Is he inside?
Are you asking me that question? I should be asking you. Because you're always following him up and down. So why are you asking me?
Yeah, you're right actually. You know, he asked me to come home and wait for him. He strolled out with the GTO Angels. Yes.
Okay, then sit down here.
How about Ma?
Be fast, because I have something going inside.
You know, gentle people like us love doing things in a more gentle manner. There's this friend of yours. She's slim, she's beautiful, she packages so well. Her name is Urema.
Oh, Sebolo, you will not kill me. See, you love her. Just like that.
Just like that, ma. Please.
See, I don't have time to stand here and talk to you. Are you hearing me? So maybe you just stand here and wait for my brother to come back. Then you can start. Okay.
Ma, please! Ma! What is happening to me? Sebolo, Mr. Gentle. Oh God. Ray.
What are you doing?
Iburishi, are you blind?
I am rehearsing for the trip to Canada. See, that trip is not just for young boys and girls. I will be involved.
You mean you are rehearsing for the Canada trip?
Yes!
Who will take you along? The Canada trip is not for old men like you. Let me tell you for information. The trip to Canada is meant for young men and ladies. Young men like us.
You see this young, energetic man? You're calling me old. What do you think you can do physically that I cannot do? Ikoro ma gboro abụọ mkporo iri. Iri ahụ ma gboro atọ ni me kporo iri na asaa. Bịa heno. You're not ashamed. You came from Canada empty-handed, bringing nothing for your father. And he's struggling now, you're not happy.
Baba, why I'm even talking to you is because of one thing. I don't want you to die young, die like this because of the little feed I'm getting from you. Let me tell you, by the time my goods return from Singapore, you can die.
You see, all you care for is for your father to feed you. But it's your mate Zege who is trying to help you. You're just his houseboy. See, when we get to Canada, I'm going to sing with music stars. I'm going to sing with Nicki Minaj. I'm going to sing with Rihanna. I'm going to sing with Drake. I'm going to sing with even Sean Paul. You know Sean Paul. Give it to me. I gotta give you what you want to. Give it all to me. See, I am energetic.
Now let me see how you get to Canada.
Explode.
Let me see how you get to Canada. When I'm the PA to Ezeke, I will be the one to write your name.
Once Ezeke is there, I'll be in Canada. What do you like?
You will not go to any Canada.
Go to hell.
I am his PA.
Go to hell.
I am his PA, Papa.
PA my fool. PA my fool. Yeah. I've got to make it. Support me. Yeah. You support me. Support me.
Ike, I chọrọ ịga na nke Okoro. Anyị asị ka abịagodo hụ gị. O nwere ihe anyị chọrọ ịjụ gị na-enye anyị nsogbu.
Yes, Maazị Ike. We are hearing that Maazị Ekwe is now a musician.
Is it true?
Is it true? Is that still a news to you?
It's a news to me.
Something that has gone all over the village. That Maazị Ekwe is not a musician.
Hey.
Last week he came here. He came to my house and he told me that he wants to be a musician. Not only being a musician though, that he wants to be a Michael Jackson fan.
What?
That he loves Michael Jackson music. He wants to be playing like Michael Jackson. He was even dancing as if he said, let me tell you, the man even forgot that he's an elderly man. He was the way he dressed as if he is a boy of yesterday, and he was dancing as if there's no more bone in his body.
Hey, God must say this so.
So he wants to be Michael Jackson of this generation.
Yes, so.
Simio, learning left-handedness in old age.
No. Mba no.
How can you be musician by this time? Maazị, we know he's mostly Indian hemp. It was the madness. How can you learn this type of thing by this time?
No.
The grandfather was a madman, so maybe it has been transferred to him. I can't believe he can be a musician by this time.
Well, anyhow, my people. Anyhow.
Thank you. What is being a pot? You cannot condemn what is in a pot without opening the pot.
You are right. You are right. Wonder shall never end in this very village.
Let us watch.
You are right, my person. You are right.
It's okay. Hey, in this community, what happened?
In this community, strange things will never fail to happen.
Victor, where are you? Victor! Yes, Mama. What are you doing inside?
Mama, I'm preparing for a second video shoot.
Coming up when?
Tomorrow.
Are you not going to school?
No, Mama, I need to practice the second video shoot. I need to be there.
How about my son? Don't do me like this. Now why are you behaving like this? Look at our house. Make the house very clean now, please.
No, Mama, I need to practice for the second video show. Don't you want me to be the next Timaya?
Timaya? Hey, my son! The next Timaya of this village, please. They have very well done.
This goes out to the beautiful girls around the world. You know, I'm into the ball, girl. Everything you do is alright, alright. So long as you go be my wife, yeah. Everything you do is alright, alright. So love you never part for life, alright. Wamu boshari nelu wanemu wamu boshari. Wamu boshari nemu wanemu boshari. Everything you do is alright, alright. So long as you go be my wife, alright. Everything you do is alright, alright. Yeah, never part for life. Thoughts of you and I will keep me always suffocating. Never coming close, your papa stay policing. I sight you from afar, but you always on the run. Yeah. Oh my God, walking in the fun. Made up in the waste time anyway. Maybe I'm the patience with the pain. Give me all attention, so delay. We gon' live for life, no parting ways. It's funny, the whole world's a me, but I can't give up, my love is calling. Phenomenally, I still confirm it. This is what my heart just keep on yearning for. It's funny, the whole world's a me, but I can't give up, my love is calling. Phenomenally, I still confirm it. This is what my heart keep yearning for. Wamu boshari nelu wanemu wamu boshari. Wamu boshari wanemu wanemu boshari. Everything you do is alright, alright. So long as you go be my wife, yeah. Everything you do is alright, alright. True love you never part for life, alright. Wamu boshari nelu wanemu wamu boshari. Wamu boshari wanemu wanemu boshari. Everything you do is alright, alright. So long as you go be my wife, alright. Everything you do is alright, alright. True love you never part for life, alright. What a missimo, Agamalugi kende manukuruma. Eba bulina gako pimuna gabi bibi kola kamu. Biko mapumamu, biko tachi mamu. Biko jide magao, baby. Everything you do is alright, alright. So long as you go be my wife, alright. Everything you do is alright, alright. True love you never part for life, alright. Wamu boshari nelu wanemu wamu boshari. Wamu boshari wanemu wanemu boshari. Everything you do is alright, alright. So long as you go be my wife, alright. Everything you do is alright.
this close.
Babe, let's go and steal those clothes. Yes, now stop shouting. You know that Ezege show is next tomorrow.
It's
we don't have anything to waste.
True.
Let's go and steal it now.
Wait,
I'm coming. Let me check it.
Wow, baby, as if you know that's the reason why I'm here now. To help them make new hair. As for me, my hair is already okay for me.
Baby, we are on point. I want to look sharp. So that whenever Ezege see me, you know, say, I'm on the van and not for this town. Whenever you see me, you forget his trip to Canada.
Wow, baby, what are you saying? I pray for Ezege to forget his trip to Canada.
God forbid. How can I pray that? Why I have something important to do with him?
Baby, hurry up, all of you watching so I can make up this and leave. For some other girls, you know, there are many of them out there that are willing to sacrifice so we can go and get ready for it.
You are on point.
Can't wait.
Let me keep this thing. If I come back, I continue from here.
Let's start going. I can't wait to.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go, baby.
With all my money, we take go right. We take go right. If I not the more, we there a lot.
What are you doing now? You come? I don't forget that today is Fino's show. What are you still doing?
Neota, it's today now. Can't you see that I'm dressed already?
Washing clothes. I am dressed already now. Can't you see that I'm dressed already?
Really hot, but wait for me. Let me get dressed.
Oh, hey! Fast.
Jump into the ball, girl. Everything you do is alright. So long as you go be my wife. Everything you do is alright. We love you never part for life. Everything you do is alright. So long as you go be my wife. Everything you do is alright. Never part for life. Thoughts of you and I will keep me always suffocating. Never coming close, your papa stay.
Thank you. The people of Amokwe, today is a day we have been waiting for. And as you can see, our son Celebratory, our son Chibo, who has met fame in the world of entertainment industry, is here in this village. He is on town to host this show. Yes, he's out to host this show. He's going to be here live tonight to dance with you, to celebrate. Yes, here in this village. So without wasting much of your time, I want to introduce to you the I want to introduce to you the Fino Final. I want to introduce to you the second is coming out, yeah. A second, DJ, please, as it's coming, give us that song. A second, yes, no.
Everything you do is alright. So long as you go be my wife. Everything you do is alright. We love you never part for life. gon' be my wife. Alright. Everything you do is alright. Alright. Yeah. True love never pass for life. Thoughts of you and I will keep me always suffocating. Never coming close, your papa stay policing. I sight you from afar, but you always on the run. Yeah. Oh my God, walking in the fun. Made up in the worst time anyway. Maybe I'm the patience with the pain. Give me all attention, so delay. We gon' live for life, no parting ways. It's funny, the whole world's a me, but I can't give up. My love is calling. Phenomenally, I still confirm it. This is what my heart just keep on yearning for. It's funny, the whole world's a me, but I can't give up. My love is calling. Phenomenally, I still confirm it. This is what my heart keep yearning for. Wamu boshali nelu wanemu wamu boshali o. Wamu boshali wonu wanemu wamu boshali o. Everything you do is alright, alright. So long as you go be my wife, yeah, 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 yeah. Everything you do is alright, alright. True love and never pass for life, say alright, alright. Wamu boshali nelu wanemu wamu boshali o. Wamu boshali wonu wanemu wamu boshali o. Everything you do is alright, alright. So long as you go be my wife, alright. Everything you do is alright, alright. True love and never pass for life, alright. What a missimo, Agamalugi kende malno kuruma. Eba bulina gako pimuna gabe bibi kola kamu. Biko makumamu, biko tachi mamu. Biko jide makao, baby, baby, baby. Everything you do is alright, alright. So long as you go be my wife, alright. Everything is funny, the whole world's a me, but I can't give up. My love is calling. Phenomenally, I still can't tell it. You're the one my heart keep yearning for. Wamu boshali nelu wanemu wamu boshali o. Wamu boshali wonu wanemu wamu boshali o. Everything you do is alright, alright. So long as you go be my wife, yeah, 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 yeah. Everything you do is alright, alright. True love and never pass for life, say alright, alright. Wamu boshali nelu wanemu wamu boshali o. Wamu boshali wonu wanemu wamu boshali o. Everything you do is alright, alright. So long as you go be my wife, alright. Everything you do is alright, alright. True love and never pass for life, alright. What a missimo, Agamalugi kende malno kuruma. Eba bulina gako pimuna gabe bibi kola kamu. Biko makumamu, biko tachi mamu. Biko jide makao, baby, baby, baby. Everything you do is alright, alright. So long as you go be my wife, alright. Everything you do is alright, alright. True love and never pass for life, alright, alright. Wamu boshali nelu wanemu wamu boshali o. Wamu boshali wonu wanemu wamu boshali o. Everything you do is alright, alright. So long as you go be my wife, alright. Everything you do is alright, alright, alright. True love and never pass for life, alright. Oh, she love me now. She love me now. Oh, she love me now.
Agaradu. You'll do it again. I will do it again.
$1 to me, Dike. Am I not telling you?
Yeah, bro. How's everything, man? Yeah.
What's up? You saw you're dressed gorgeously. Where are you heading to?
For the show. The talk of the town. The Zeges show.
Yes.
That's where we're going.
We're going
for the show.
Which of the show?
Show now.
But did you say Ezeke show?
Ezeke show! Ezeke! It's like a song to me.
Maybe you're going to MTF project. The show was yesterday.
What are you telling me? Ezeke, who is my stepson, I know everything about him. You're telling me his show was yesterday?
See, Mazekwe, see, we are not quarreling. No problem. You can go to the show.
Yes. Maybe in a mix.
Yes, they reserve their own rice, chicken, and the drink.
You enjoy it.
What are you actually trying to say? So that the show held yesterday?
Yes, the day.
Why you deceived me? You deceived me.
Hey!
Hey, this one.
Hold on now. Did that affect you? Did that affect me?